Did you know that in the United States, a host of diseases and physical ailments frequently usher in the golden years? Heart disease, arthritis, kidney disease, liver disease, cancer, osteoporosis, stroke are commonplace in retirement communities. And in the U.S., these symptoms often start when people reach their 40s and 50s, sometimes even sooner. Over 131 million all adults, 66%, in the U.S. use prescription drugs daily. Many of them reduce inflammation. Some of those drugs are absolutely necessary, and others are an alternative to a lifestyle change. Nonetheless, they are typically a part of middle-aged persons' and seniors' life in America. What if I told you there's a simple drink you could have every day that not only helps you feel younger, but also helps prevent or even reverse certain diseases that tend to pop up after age 40? It might sound too good to be true, but there's solid science backing this drink because it works at a deep cellular level to improve your health, especially once you hit your 40s and beyond. Aging is natural, but rapid aging, inflamed joints, restless nights, constipation, and chronic disease don't have to be a part of the journey. Anti-inflammatory diets can decelerate the aging process, allowing you to do what you love for longer. One of the fastest ways to reduce inflammation is by eating more anti-inflammatory foods. So, let's get started. As we get older, especially after we turn 40, our bodies naturally start to decline in various ways. Our metabolism slows down, our skin loses its bounce, joints might start to ache, our thinking can get a bit foggy, and hormones can begin to act up. A recent study even showed that most people go through two significant aging cycles, the first around age 40 and the second around age 60. That's why it's so important to incorporate this drink into your daily routine. It can help you fight aging and keep your body in great shape. So, what is this magical drink that's going to help you stay healthy as you age? I'm going to first share all the ingredients and their amazing benefits. Then, at the very end, I'll reveal the exact recipe for how to prepare it. And as a bonus tip, there's one more thing you can add to this drink that will make it super powerful for you. So, definitely stay until the end. Let's dive in. The powerhouse ingredients. 1. Green tea, the anti-aging base. The very first ingredient of this drink, and its base, is green tea. So, why green tea? Because green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, and the most potent of these is EGCG. Research has clearly shown that EGCG can protect your cells from something called oxidative damage. Now, we have many recent studies that point to oxidative damage as a major cause of heart disease, several types of cancer, and the overall aging of our bodies. First, it's crucial to understand what oxidative damage is. Every day, as your body functions, it creates waste products called free radicals. These free radicals need to be removed or neutralized by antioxidants. When you don't have enough antioxidants, your body starts accumulating these free radicals, leading to oxidative damage. This process really speeds up after age 40, mainly because your body isn't producing enough of its own antioxidants. That's why EGCG, being a very powerful antioxidant, has been shown in several studies to slow down aging by reducing oxidative damage in the body. Here are more benefits of green tea. Green tea acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Studies have shown it can improve skin wrinkles and sagging. Plus, it protects your skin from sun and UV damage, which are major causes of premature aging. Not only that, green tea can even help repair damaged DNA in your skin, maintaining the integrity of your skin cells. Many people, especially women entering perimenopause or dealing with thyroid issues, experience a slowed metabolism. Men also see their metabolism decrease with age. Green tea can help boost your metabolism and keep your body in good shape. Green tea not only protects your mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells, but also guards your brain from oxidative or inflammation-related damage. Many people notice a decline in mental function or feel tired and sluggish all the time as they age. Green tea has been shown to boost brain function, mitochondrial function, and can protect your brain from further decline. These extensive benefits are why green tea forms the essential base of this drink. 2. Collagen peptides, the body's building blocks. The next ingredient is collagen peptides. Collagen is the most abundant protein found in your body. It's a key part of your skin, hair, nails, joints, muscles, and connective tissues. Research shows that after age 40, your body's natural ability to produce collagen decreases. In fact, this capacity declines by about 1% every year after 40. Your body simply isn't making enough collagen to support its own health, which is why you start to see more skin wrinkles, experience joint pains, and even notice decreased muscle mass. Skin elasticity. Collagen is especially good for skin elasticity. A study found that participants who regularly took collagen peptides saw significant improvements in skin elasticity, roughness, and wrinkles. Joint health. Collagen improves the cartilage between your joints, helping to reduce pain and potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Gut health. We know that many chronic diseases, including cardiovascular issues, thyroid conditions, and autoimmune diseases, often start in the gut. Collagen peptides can help heal your gut. Studies show collagen peptides are great for leaky gut and can reduce inflammation in your digestive system. That's why collagen peptides are a fantastic addition to this drink. 3. Lemon or lime, the immune and detox booster. The third ingredient is lemon or lime. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants our body needs. It's particularly good for skin health, detoxification, and supporting liver function. Vitamin C also boosts your overall immunity, which often weakens as we age. This weakened immunity can contribute to many autoimmune conditions. Vitamin C can help rebalance your immune system and reduce inflammation. So, lemon or lime provides that crucial vitamin C needed to give this drink its powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. The synergistic power of this drink. When you combine all three of these ingredients, it creates a truly powerful drink. You're getting the strong antioxidant power of EGCG from green tea. Collagen peptides, which are fundamental for rebuilding your body's tissues. And vitamin C from lemon or lime, which helps retrain your immune system and reduces inflammation, keeping your body in great shape. How to prepare your anti-aging drink. Now, let's talk about how to prepare this amazing drink. And remember, at the end, I'm going to share that bonus tip to make it even more powerful. First, brew a cup of high-quality green tea. The quality of your green tea really matters, as it affects the amount of beneficial antioxidants it contains. Use hot, not boiling water. This is a crucial tip. Never boil the water when preparing green tea. You just need it hot, but not boiling, because boiling water destroys the precious EGCG in green tea. So, use hot water and let your green tea steep for 4 to 5 minutes. After your green tea has steeped, add a high-quality collagen powder. It's very important to choose good collagen peptides that come from organic, grass-fed sources only. These are the only types of collagen that will truly help rebuild your body. Other types might not be as effective. Squeeze in lemon-lime. Finally, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon or lime. This gives you that extra boost of vitamin C. Mix all these ingredients together. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so all the nutrients can fully dissolve and integrate into the drink. Then, slowly sip it in the morning. You can have it with your breakfast, after your breakfast, or even as the very first thing when you wake up. If you want to boost the anti-aging and protective benefits of this drink even further, add a fish oil supplement along with it. Fish oil supplements are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. We have numerous research studies showing that EPA and DHA can significantly reduce inflammation in your brain, heart, and gut. They also protect your mitochondria. These powerful compounds have profound anti-aging benefits and will help keep your body in excellent shape. Just make sure you're getting a good quality fish oil supplement. Look for one with a minimum of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. Plus, that specific fish oil supplement needs to be tested for mercury and other heavy metals so you know you're not inadvertently putting toxins into your body. I've actually created a great fish oil supplement. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to check it out. Incorporating this powerful drink into your daily routine is a very simple, yet incredibly effective way to fight the signs of aging and help prevent further diseases that you might otherwise develop as you get older. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also share this video with everyone else who can benefit from this valuable information. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.